Have you ever wondered if your thoughts truly have the power to shape your reality? Do you believe that what you focus on, you attract? For centuries, mystics and philosophers have whispered about the law of attraction. But today, we're diving deep into the cosmos of consciousness to ask a profound question. Could quantum physics finally explain the science behind manifestation? Get ready, Cosmic Enlightenment seekers, because we're unraveling the mind-bending connections between your deepest desires, the power of your belief systems, the observer effect, and the fascinating world of psychology. This isn't just wishful thinking. This is a journey to understand how your inner world might be shaping your outer reality. The law of attraction, in its simplest form, states that like attracts like. It's a core tenet of modern self-help and spirituality. But for the scientifically minded, it always raises a critical hurdle. How can an abstract thought directly influence the physical world? The bridge between the spiritual and the scientific might just be found at the smallest, most fundamental scale of reality, the quantum level. Let's begin with one of the most baffling and profound discoveries of quantum mechanics, the observer effect. In the famous double-slit experiment, tiny particles, like electrons, do something that's totally impossible in our everyday world. When no one is observing them, they behave like waves, existing in a field of probability, passing through both slits of a barrier at the same time. But the moment a measuring device is introduced, the instant they are observed, they instantly collapse from that wave of potential into a single, definite particle in a single, definite location. It's as if the act of looking forces reality to make a choice. Now, let's transfer this mind-bending idea to your life. Before you choose your path, countless possibilities for your future exist in a state of wave function, or pure potential. Your next career, your next relationship, your next breakthrough, they all exist as possibilities. So, the question is, the moment you apply intense, focused attention, your conscious intent, are you acting as the observer? Are you forcing one of those potential outcomes to collapse into your tangible reality? This is the speculative, yet potent connection often drawn between manifestation and quantum mechanics. Your focus might just be the very thing that turns possibility into actuality. While the quantum side of things is still theoretical, the power of belief systems is verifiable science. Your beliefs are the silent operating system of your life. They are the cognitive filters that dictate what information you accept, how you interpret events, and ultimately, what you consider possible for yourself. And this filter has a name, the Reticular Activating System, or RS. The RAS is a bundle of nerves at your brainstem that acts as a gatekeeper for your conscious mind. We are bombarded with billions of bits of information every single second, from sounds to sights to sensations. It would be impossible to process it all. So the RAS's job is to filter out everything that is immediately relevant to your survival, or crucially, what you've told, it is important. Think about the last time you bought a new car. Suddenly you start seeing that exact same model and color everywhere, right? Were there suddenly more of them on the road? No. They were always there. You just programmed your RAS to see them as important, so it started pointing them out to you. When you focus on a specific goal, visualizing it, affirming it, feeling it, you are effectively programming your RAS. If you deeply believe you will start a successful business, your RAS starts highlighting opportunities, resources, and people that were always there, but which your old, unprogrammed brain simply filtered out as noise. This isn't attracting something from thin air. It's making you acutely aware of what already surrounds you. But here's the sticking point, and it's a big one. If your underlying belief is that, I do not deserve success, or I'm not good enough, your RAS, in its obedience, will filter out success. It will highlight evidence that confirms your negative belief. You might walk right past a life-changing opportunity because your internal operating system has marked it as not for you. This is why addressing your limiting beliefs is absolutely non-negotiable. They are the unconscious commands that tell your quantum observer and your psychological filter what to focus on, and more importantly, what to ignore. So now, let's unify these concepts. Consciousness is the operational bridge that connects it all. Your belief system, rooted in psychology, directs your focus. That focused intention, which acts like the observer, then interacts with the wave of possibilities in the quantum field. This creates a powerful feedback loop. Your beliefs shape your focus shapes what you perceive, and what you perceive reinforces your beliefs. It is a cycle that can either spiral you upward into success or keep you trapped where you are. Let's touch briefly on the philosophical implications, because they are fascinating. Thinkers like cognitive scientist Donald Hoffman propose that our perceived reality is less like a literal window and more like a desktop interface designed by evolution for survival. Just as the trash can icon on your computer screen isn't a physical trash can full of paper, our senses may be interpreting a deeper, non-physical reality in a simplified, useful way. In this model, perhaps our focused consciousness, driven by deep belief, is the mechanism that generates the necessary icon, the manifested goal, from the underlying code of reality. You're not just seeing reality, you're rendering it. Now, the greatest misconception about manifestation is that it's passive. Many people think if they just visualize hard enough, a check will magically appear in the mail. But that's not how it works. Visualization, affirmations, and belief shifts are all designed to do one thing: align your focus and change your internal state. But the universe doesn't deliver to your doorstep. It opens doors that you must choose to walk through. This is the critical phase of inspired action. Your aligned thoughts create new neural pathways in your brain. These new pathways lead to higher motivation, increased creativity, and a proactive mindset. This in turn leads you to take decisive action when the opportunity, now brightly highlighted by your newly programmed RAS, finally appears. You'll make that phone call, you'll send that email, you'll sign up for that class. The action feels inspired because your entire being, your mind, your focus, and your energy is aligned with the goal. So let's synthesize this all together. Manifestation is not magic. It is the powerful, measurable interplay between a few key elements. First, the theoretical potential of the quantum field, where your consciousness may act as the observer, collapsing possibility into reality. Second, the practical, verifiable science of psychology, where your belief system programs your RAS filter to show you what's relevant to your goals. And third, the crucial, non-negotiable step of inspired action that turns observation and potential into a lived experience. You are not a passive recipient of your fate, you are an active participant and perhaps a co-creator of your reality. The true science of manifestation lies in understanding that by mastering your inner world, your beliefs, your focus, your intention, you fundamentally change how you interact with the opportunities and potentials of the outer world. You start to see the doors that were always there, and you find the courage to walk through them. So what possibilities will you choose to observe into existence today? Let me know your thoughts in the comments below. If this cosmic deep dive illuminated your path, smash that like button, share this video with a fellow seeker, and subscribe to Cosmic Enlightenment for more journeys into the mysteries of mind and universe. Until next time, keep observing, keep believing, and keep manifesting the incredible life you deserve.